Hey guys, this is a quick video. One of my viewers, Warren Maker, I believe I'm saying his name right, asked about this little power feed setup. It's a NEMA 23 stepper motor. It's got the dual shaft, which you don't necessarily have to have that. I was going for 2 bolts right here and here, but as luck would have it, I broke the tap off in there, so I only got 1 bolt. Didn't have the right bolt on hand, so I just threw a carriage bolt in there. I mean, it works. Nothing too major there. This coupler right here, just a piece of round stock I turned. Put a set screw on that end. Turned it to fit here. Pinned it with the original pin. It used to have a handle right here. I had to straighten that little shaft right there that comes out of this gearbox. If you watch my first video, you can see this thing moving around. It was bent right there. So that's the motor and the coupling. That's just something homemade. Like you can see right here, it took me 2 tries to get it, and I don't even think I got the hole all the way through. I ended up just doing one side and peening it in. I got the driver unhooked because I'm using it for something else, but this will be my power and ground, my control signals from the Arduino, which I'm using a Nano with Garble, and the 4 wires. It mounts just right here somewhere. Yeah, there's a screw. Let's see. This is the power supply I'm using, 24 volt. Got it off of Amazon. Everything I got here is pretty much off of Amazon. Nothing fancy, just a 24 volt power supply. And this is one of the drivers right here is what it was on the mill, and I just kind of put it on over here because I need them for other projects. So that's the driver. Okay. And as far as controlling that driver, sorry about that, the camera cut out on me. What I was saying, to control this driver right here, I use this little Nano right here. It's flashed with the Garble software, and I just take the pins, the digital pins for the step and direction, and run them straight into the negative side. Then I comment all the 5 volts because the driver, sorry about that, all your +5 are tied together to the +5 of the Arduino. Then to control this is using this little Bluetooth module. And I connect it to my phone. I think it's CNC Garble app. Get it off the Play Store. I use Android, so I'm not sure about iPhone. I'm sure there's something out there for it. But that's pretty much it. Let's see. I go phone to the Bluetooth module. Bluetooth talks to the Arduino. It processes the G-code commands to the stepper driver, which it gets its power from that 24 volt supply. Then it runs out to the stepper motor. Yeah, the bench is a mess. I'm putting a full load motor back together. But hopefully this helps you out. If you got any more questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to help you out on that. You don't necessarily have to have these drivers. It makes it easy, especially when you're using Garble, because you got step and direction pulses instead of pulsing the coils. You know, let's see if I can find it. I don't know where it's at, but I got a H-bridge motor driver that you can hook a stepper up to, but you got to pulse 4 wires instead of 2. You have to pulse them in sequence. So it can go either way. If you do it that route, you're probably gonna have to write some custom code or find something somebody's already written. Garble only supports direction and step pulses. So, all right. Well, I'll catch y'all later. Oh, this runs this. It's the CNC plasma cutter. It is working. I gotta catch up on some videos, but that's some test cuts. More to come on that one. Alright, thanks guys.